So my start time is, I don't know if you can see here, right there, 8:36. I don't know if it's clear there, but 8:36. And I'll go outside here. So this is my surroundings, and this is the sheets that I have, the periodic table, and the worksheet, the questions. So for the first question, um, finding the protons, neutrons, electrons. So how to find the protons and electrons? You just get the top number. Like for example, iron, you just get 26, and that will be the protons and electrons. And how to find the neutrons? You just subtract the bottom number from the protons and electrons. And then for the valence electrons, you just look here. For example, in the group of hydrogen, group 1, there's like a 1 there. That would be, that group would have 1 valence electrons, or outer shell. That's the other name. 3, for example, on boron, the group 13, it would have 3 valence electrons. And for energy levels, you would just look at the periods, or like across the periods. So it will be, for example, if you wanted to know the energy level of potassium, right, K right there, you would count down from hydrogen. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It would have 4 energy levels. Yeah, so that's question 1. Question 2. Describe how to write the name of a molecular compound if giving the formula. So, how to write? How to write the name of a molecular compound if giving the formula? To write the name. Oh, all right. So, if for example you have N and NO, yeah, NO3, for example, you would say nitrogen, and then it will be, because it has a 3 on oxygen, it will be trioxide. So nitrogen trioxide. That will be for number 2. How to write the name if they give you a formula. For number 3, it's the opposite, right? How to write the formula if they give you the name. So let's get another example. Let's see. Nitrogen. Let's go for fluorine. So carbon and fluorine. Let's see. So it will be carbon. So for example, if they give you carbon trifluoride, tetafluoride. I don't know, whichever. Trifluoride. So it will be C, and then you put F, and then a 3 like down there. That'll be how to write the formula. You just because the trifluoride will be 3, you just do the opposite from the question number 2. Number 4, describe how to make an electron dot diagram for nitrogen trifluoride. So, that was my example. So, It would just be like you put an N, you put the N like in the middle, and then because nitrogen, as you can see here, has three, it has 7 electrons, nitrogen, and fluorine has also has 7. So you would just like put N in the middle, and 3, because it's 3 trifluoride. You would put 3 fluorines, and yeah, you put 3 fluorine, like in, for example, N, it's in the middle, right? And in the middle, oh, yeah, you put N in the middle, and then you put the 3 fluorines. Yeah, exactly. That's what. I don't know if right it or if it was a good explanation, but you basically fluorine shares 1 electron, or nitrogen shares 1 electron to each. Fluorine shares 1 electron to each fluorine would like share nitrogen would share 1 electron to each fluorine, and it would get also 1 electron from the 3 fluorines. That's how they like would combine. Yeah. So yeah, let's go for number 5. Wait, I'll put this in the table. How are ionic compounds different from molecular compounds? So let's go to the definition. Ionic compounds, they have they lose an electron or lose a proton, so they are like unstable, electrically unstable, while molecular compounds, they are stable, because they have like the protons and electrons, they cancel each other out. So I think that's one difference. And also ionic compounds, generally, like, they are really, wait, let's see how, I don't know if that with one difference would be okay, but I'll try to think about another one just in case. So ionic compounds also molecular, ionic. Yeah, I think that's the major difference between those two. That ionic compounds are unstable and molecular compounds are stable. Yeah, so I'll go to the clock again of my computer and see my end time. So my end time, it's 8:46. I'll try to 8. I don't know if you can see it clearly. I hope it's right there. So 8:47, 8:46. So yeah. Oh, right here, my phone. It's also 8:47. Wait. 8:47. So yeah. I think that's it.